Hey guys, this is Bernard, and today I'm bringing this one down because I see it on real estate groups all the time, and it just bugs me a lot. And that is people that are flashing or focusing too much on number of units. Like if you go at real estate events or you're part of Facebook groups for real estate, you've probably heard this like, hey, I got 75 units and now my goal for the next year is 150. And that just doesn't mean anything. I mean, number of unit is nowhere a good indicator that you're making a good investment. And that is why it bugs me a lot. So guys, if you're new in the real estate world and someone approach you and tell you that he owned 1,000 of units and he got that in only a couple of years, and you think, wow, this is so impressive, and he tells you that you too can own 1,000 of units in only a short amount of time. What you need to hear there is that this guy owns shares of a company that holds 1,000 of units, and that you too can buy shares of a company that holds a lot of units. So that being said, he can own up to 100% of the company, but he can also own less than 1%. So don't get impressed by these numbers and focus on what matters the most, and that is the expected returns over your investment. To me, the number of units is just a way of flashing, and to flash over some people that doesn't really understand real estate investing. So what are some good indicators that your portfolio is performing well? Well, the cash flow ratio is one good indicator. The appreciation over your assets, that's another good indicator that your portfolio is going well. And the potential of increasing the value of your property, that's another indicator that you have some potential over your investment portfolio. So rule of thumb here, and I think that most of the people who've ever deal with renters and who have managed rental properties, I think they would agree that the more units you have, the higher your managing costs are gonna be, and the more headache you're gonna have if you're doing it yourself. So it's pretty clear for me that for the same returns that I get over two portfolios, I would get the one with the less units. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you liked this, and if you did, well, that's nice. And if you want to watch some other stuff that I made, I got some videos where I talk about real estate investing, stocks investing, and managing personal finance. And I'm gonna put some links there, and these are going to be what YouTube thinks you will like the most out of my other videos. So that being said, I'm out. See you in the next one.